Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Have you ever received a love letter? Nakatanggap na po ba kayo ng love letter? Or have you written or gave anyone a love letter? For sure, it contains your honest feelings, deep emotions, and maybe promises or words of affection. I remembered receiving a love letter many years ago. Basta ang alam ko lang sa bandang dulo, may nakalagay, sana hindi mo ako makalimutan kahit maging pari ka na. I hope you will not forget me even if you are a priest already. Our first reading today, dear friends, is God's love letter to His people. And how affectionate, loving, and reassuring, and so full of emotion it was. Sabi, can a mother forget her infant? Be without tenderness for the child of her womb? Even should she forget, I will never forget you. May kanta po ito eh. Alam kong alam nyo ito. Baka magulat pa kayo. Kasi sa patay nyo kinakanta. Hindi kita malilimutan. Hindi kita pababayaan. Nakaukit magpakailanman sa aking palad ang iyong pangalan. Malilimutan ba ng ina ang anak na galing sa kanya, sanggol sa kanyang sinapupunan, paano niya matatalikdan? This song is often used and sung during wake or funeral masses. But this song is really God's love and romantic letter to His people. It speaks of God's unwavering love and promises to comfort and protect them, even in times of hardship. God assures us that He will never forget us, just as a mother would not and never forget her child. And isn't this so sweet? Yung nagdadasal o nagsasalita sa first reading, desperado na, pagod na, pinanghihinaan na ng loob, pakiramdam niya wala siyang kakampi, feeling niya inabando na siya ng Diyos, para sa kanya wala ng pag-asa. And isn't it that many times we are also like this, that we resonate with the sentiments of the writer, desperate, tired, hopeless, down, isolated, weak, and even alone. But God assures us today in His love letter to us, hindi ko kayo nalilimutan, hindi ko kayo pababayaan. Malimutan man ng kanyang ina, ang kanyang anak, ako, hindi ko kayo malilimutan. I will never forget you. Amen.